Hello students, warm welcome to you all for our YouTube session. Today's topic of discussion, quadratic equations. In this video discussion, we are going to discuss actual questions of TG and AP ICET that appeared in the 2025. 2025 లో TG and AP ICET లో మనకు వచ్చిన actual questions టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి quadratic equations. ఈ వీడియో డిస్కషన్ లో మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, now first before going to start our session, now we request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time for ICET, and click on the bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Okay, now look at the first example on your screen. If twice the square of a number is 45 more than 13 times of it, then what is the cube of the number? Now number, let us assume n. What we need to find? Cube of the number to be found. Cube of the number means n cube to be found. So what I am doing here, I am assuming n as a number. Now square of a number means n square. Twice of the square means 2n square. Now this value is 45 more than 13 times of the number. Number is n, 13 times means 13n. How much it is more? 45 more. Now ఒక్కసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, మన క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. What is the quadratic equation? 2n square minus 13n minus 45 is equal to 0. Yes, my dear students, please find out the roots of this quadratic equation. Now what about the factors here? Just find out. 45 means 5 into 9. The middle term is 13 minus 13. So how to get minus 13 means 2 times of 9, that is 18. 18n plus 5n minus 45 is equal to 0. Minus 18 plus 5, that is equal to middle term 13n. Now what about the roots? Whatever the roots means, here the value of n is equal to same factors. Take the same factors with opposite sign, divide with coefficient of x square. Factors same ఉన్నాయి, 18 and 5. Opposite signs మార్చండి, opposite signs తీసుకోండి. Now simplify. Here ignore the negative value, consider only positive. The value of n, that is 9. When n is equal to 9, what is the value of n cube? N cube is equal to 9 cube, that is 729. Answer choice 3. Choice 3 is the right answer. Okay, now look at the next example on your screen. If one root of the equation x square minus x plus k is equal to 0, k is an integer, is the square of the other, then find out the value of k. Now one root is the square of the other means if one root is alpha, other one is alpha square. Dear student, just observe sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means alpha square plus alpha, that is equal to, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus of minus 1 by 1, that is 1. Product of the roots means alpha into alpha square, that is equal to c by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. C by a, that is k by 1, that is k. Means k is equal to alpha cube. Here alpha square plus alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the roots of this quadratic equation. So minus b, what is the value of alpha means? Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, 4 into a into c, that is 4 by 2a. Yes, my dear student, what is the value of alpha? Irrational value. When alpha is irrational, alpha cube is also irrational, must be irrational. But what is given? K is given here as an integer. This contradicts the given data. So what is the answer here? Data inconsistency. Options మనకి ఆన్సర్ లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్ఫా అనేది మనకి ఇర్రేషనల్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఆల్ఫా క్యూబ్ కూడా మనకి ఇర్రేషనల్ అవ్వాలి, అవుతుంది. బట్ కే అనేది ఏముంది ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంటిజర్ అని చెప్పాడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి కాంట్రాడిక్ట్ అవుతుంది given data. So what is the answer here? Data inconsistent. Now look at next example. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square plus beta and beta square plus alpha is. First of all, find out the roots of this quadratic equation. X square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 3x minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x plus, just a minute, minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 3x plus minus 2x, that is a minus 5x. So product of the roots is equal to 6. Sum of the roots is equal to middle term. Now, what is the value of alpha and beta? Means here the value of x. So 3 and 2 take the same factors with opposite sign, divide with coefficient of x square. Now the alpha is equal to, if alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to how much? If alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to how much? 2. So alpha square plus beta, alpha square means 3 square, 9 plus beta, that is a 2. How much is the sum of these two? 11. Then other side, now beta square plus alpha, beta square is 2 square plus 4 plus 3. What is the sum here? 7. What to find? Need to find out the quadratic equation whose roots are 11 and 7. So what is the frame of a quadratic equation? X square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substitute the value, simplify, you will get answer. So sum of the alpha and beta, 11 plus 7, that is a 18. So x square minus 18x, 11 into 7, that is 77. So what is the answer? X square minus 18x plus 77 is equal to 0. The right choice, option 1. First option is the right answer. Okay. Now moving to the next example. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 7x plus k, such that alpha minus beta is equal to 9, then the polynomial for which k is a 0 among the following is. So ichina expressions lo edi manaki satisfy chestundi. Now let's check here. Alpha minus beta is given here. Alpha minus beta is equal to 9. Now how much is the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Means just look at this sum. So what is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a minus of minus 7 by 1. So minus of minus 7 by 1 means 7. By adding both the equations, beta gets cancelled. Now 2 alpha is equal to 16. The value of alpha, that is 8. When alpha is equal to 8, what is the value of beta? Substitute alpha as 8 in one of the two equations. Now it will give the beta value. What is the beta value? It is a minus 1. Now what is the k? K is equal to product of the roots. Product of the roots means k is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to how much? 8 into minus 1, that is a minus 8. Substitute minus 8 as x value in the given expressions, and which gives 0, that is your answer. My dear students, look at the second choice here. X square means minus 8 square, that is a 64. 11 times of 8, that is a 88. Positive into negative, that is a negative. Plus 24. Just observe how much is the sum? 0. So what is the right choice? Option 2. Second choice is the right answer. Answer for this question is choice 2. Now look at the next example on your screen. Alpha plus 12 by alpha is equal to 0. Find out the value of alpha cube plus 3 alpha plus 72. Dear students, here LCM is alpha, just multiply here. Alpha square plus 12 is equal to 3 alpha. Am I right? Alpha into alpha plus 12 by alpha is equal to 3 means by doing multiplication, cross multiplication, it will give 3 alpha. So what is the value of alpha square? Alpha square is equal to 3 alpha minus 12. Alpha square is equal to 3 alpha minus 12. Here alpha cube means I'm expressing it as a alpha into alpha square plus 3 alpha plus 72. Alpha square value మన దగ్గర ఉంది. What is the value of alpha square? 3 alpha minus 12. Substitute here. ఇక్కడ substitute చేస్తున్నాం. 3 alpha minus 12 plus 3 alpha plus 72. Now solving this. Now solving this here, 3 alpha into alpha, that is 3 alpha square. So 3 alpha square minus 12 alpha plus 3 alpha plus 72. My dear students, again in alpha square, in the position of alpha square, substitute this 3 alpha minus 12. So what you will get? 3 times of 3 alpha minus 12. Minus 12 alpha plus 3 alpha, that is a minus 9 alpha plus 72. Solving this. 3 times of 3 alpha, that is a 9 alpha minus 36 minus 9 alpha plus 72. Positive 9 alpha, negative minus 9 alpha gets cancelled. So positive and negative get cancelled. 72 minus 36. 72 minus 36, that is 36. The answer choice 1. First choice is the right answer for this question. Okay. My dear students, please join to our YouTube channel, and the social media channel links are given in the description box. Telegram channel link and the YouTube channel links are given. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of all the videos. For classroom coaching, do contact your nearest T.I.M.E center. For online courses, you can enroll at www.timeforeducation.com/TSAP ICET. Take the next step towards your dream with time. For queries, you can visit us, and you can, if you want to write something, you can write us at this mail ID. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.